Before going on a long trip, it's a good idea to do a quick safety inspection of the vehicle. Fluid levels and tire pressure are the main focus. It is also good to keep a supply of the essential fluids in your home. Over here we need to open up the hood to get into the car so that we can check all the fluids. The way we do that is that we pull this lever near the gas pedal and it releases it, but we have to go and hit the safety latch that's in between the hood and the actual car. First we can check the antifreeze, which you would open this valve up and then just look in there and see if it has enough. Like, you can see from down in that tan part right there how much is in. Over here we have the windshield wipers, and this is for the fluid that gets sprayed on the windshield when it needs to be cleaned. You check this by opening it and then just seeing how much is in there. Over here we have the power steering, and the same thing, you just open this. Oh wait, yeah. And then you look and see how if it's in the crosses, the zigzag crosses, it means that there's enough in there. But if it's on the change sign, which is down at the bottom, you need to change it. Down here we have the dipstick, and this is for checking your oil, which is important because if you have too much oil or too little, the car won't run. And you check it by looking at the X's here, and it says if there's too much or too little on the sides. Next we have the transmission fluid, and this is down in like the bottom of the engine here, and you can't really open that and pour it in yourself. You're supposed to get like a technician to do it for you, and most cars have like an indicator now that will show you how much is in there or if it needs to be changed. Back here we have the brake fluid, and it has a max and a min sign on the tank here, so you can tell how much is inside. Now we can check tire pressure, and the recommended PSI for this car is about 30 to 35. We have 30 on here, and we need to check all 4 tires for it to be safe to drive in. as you can see, all the tire pressures are at 30 or a little bit above, and this car is safe to drive because all the fluids are in the right levels and the tire pressure is at the right levels too.